Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Final Fantasy XIV game, any kind of sound or the audio problems. I will show you guys the different solution that will definitely fix your problem. So let's get started. Guys, first you have to go to the Windows setup with the device manager and now open it. Here you will see the audio input and output. Just open it, and here you will see the speakers or the high definition audio device. So just right click on that, then click on the update driver. Then here just click on the browse my computer file driver, then just click on the let me pick, and now here just select the generic software device. So once you select it, then click on the next, and now it will update your drivers. Then just click on the close. Now right click on your speakers again and just click on the update driver again. Now here just click on the search automatically for drivers, and if there is any kind of available update for your driver, then just update it from here. So once you update your drivers completely and check your problem is fixed or not, launch your game. If your problem is still not fixed, then right click on your speakers again, then just click on the disable device and just click on the yes. Then right click on it again and just simply enable it again. Sometimes disabling or enabling your speakers will fix your problem and check your problem is fixed or not. And if this does not fix your problem, the next solution is go to the Windows setup. Here there are troubleshoot settings and it will appear on the top, so just open it. Now here just click on the additional troubleshooters, and now here just click on the playing audio, then just click on the option of run the troubleshooter. And now guys, it will start detecting the issues with your sound or any kind of audio problems, and if there is any kind of issues or the problem, so it can give you the solution or the option to fix it. So when you see the option to resolve the problem, just click on the option or solve the problem, and sometimes this will fix your problem. But if this failed to work, then the next solution is go to the Windows setup, here the control panel, and just open it. Now just click on the hardware and sound, then just click on the sounds, and now here you will see your speakers drivers. So just highlight the speakers and just click on the properties you are seeing on the last, and just here you will see the device usage. Now here's just need to make sure that this is enabled. If this is disabled, then you can just simply enable it. Then go to the enhancements, and here you just need to make sure that this is off. Then you can simply launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then go to the advanced, and now here just click on that, and now here you have to just select the 24-bit or this studio quality. Once you select it, then just click on apply and just click on OK, then just launch the game, see your problem is fixed or not. If this failed to work, then just select the next one, and if this failed to work, then you can apply or the select one by one all of these, and then just apply this and then check one by one this which fixes your problem. And if these fail to work, then go to the Windows setup with the settings and open it. Now just click on the system, and now here on the left hand side just click on the sounds, and here just need to make sure that the output device is correctly selected. Now, if you will see here the speakers or any kind of high definition audio device, then just select it. And you also need to make sure that the master volume is on about the 60% or the 100%. And you also need to make sure that the input device is correctly selected. And after that, after all of these settings, you must need to restart your PC to apply these changes. And once you restart your PC, then launch the game and hope your problem will be fixed there is any kind of sound or the audio problem. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye, see you in the next one.